Today we are going to be demonstrating how to conduct the proper sizing procedure for the Rise body armor system. Before we begin, be sure you have the following to measure the officer. The first measurement we will be performing is the full chest measurement. Ask the officer to face away from you and lift their arms out from their sides in a T pose. Wrap the measuring tape around the chest of the officer and connect it in the back. Ask the officer to place the tape at the apex of the chest, typically at the nipple line. Once the tape is in the proper location, have the officer put their arms down and then ask them to take 2 big breaths. At the apex, or the deepest part of their second breath, take the full chest measurement, allowing the measuring tape to expand with the officer's body until it stops. The next measurement is the total girth measurement. With the officer still facing away from you, wrap the tape around the officer's waist with them holding the tape at the height of their belly button or at the apex of their belly. When measuring for the center length measurement, ask the officer to face you. Place the tape measure at the clavicle notch and measure down to the officer's belly button or to the apex of the belly. When measuring for the back length measurement, ask the officer to face away from you. Place the measuring tape where the tag of the shirt would be or the C7 vertebrae that protrudes near the shirt collar and measure it down to the officer's duty belt or to the highest piece of equipment on the back of the duty belt. Before performing the seated measurement, be sure that you have an armless chair. Have the officer sit straight up in the chair with their back straight, place the tape measure at the clavicle notch, and measure it down to the officer's duty belt. If the officer's belly covers the duty belt, look at either side of the duty belt and draw an imaginary line across their belly and measure from the clavicle notch to that imaginary line. This concludes our sizing guide for the Rise body armor system. If you have any questions regarding the measurements taken in this video, please reach out to your sales rep. Angel Armor. Protection at a higher level.